Okay, so here's my little stealth grow that I've made. Just move back a little bit. So I could do that one on. So yeah, I'm just getting a little latch that's going to go down there just to hide that little bit of light. Just connected in some PC fans. That's a UFO LED 200 watt light, and I've also got this. So I've got a carbon filter here. This is 110 by 150. I've got a just a duct clip, one of those foam ones on the inside. But I also on here, I've got a 3D printed adapter from 140mm PC fan to 100mm ducting. Fits perfect on that, clamps onto that, and then we're just going to bob that up there, get that clamped and hook it onto the roof. Yeah, so that's my little stealth grow.